Alrighty, so right here we got the 2019 to I believe kind of 2024-ish GMC Sierra. They also have the AT4 model. What we're doing is we're replacing the side mirror. You can see right here on this side mirror it got hit, and this one is no good no more. The plastic came off the bat. So yeah, that thing's completely broken. So what we did is we had to go to the dealership, give them the van. We got the new side mirror here. I'm gonna show you the process. It's really simple. You're just gonna remove the door panel. You got 7mm inside of here. You pop this clip off. It pops out with the trim tool. Use your trim tool, pop it out. 2 7mm there. Then you got a 7mm at the bottom of the door panel there, and another one at the bottom door panel there. Then you're just gonna start prying from the edges. You'll get it off all the way around the edges. At the very top, the top of this door panel, it sits on this lip right here. Okay. You'll pull it up off of the locking mechanism, off and out. Boom. Next thing you got here is this little rubber cover. It covers this. Pop that out. Once you get that cover off, you got access to the side mirror. I got a 13mm. I'm just gonna tighten them up. All right, 13mm. Put your little clip in there. Put your red tab in. That's on there. Pop this thing back off in there. She is good to go. You're gonna put your panel back. Everything will be good. All right, so make sure y'all get with us at Puro Mobile Repair Service. You can catch our number here, 214-791-7037. We come all over the DFW area, serving your work, trucks, and more. And now all is well. Fresh mirror, easy to replace. There it is.